Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 409, a studio on the 4th floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll notice is the large hall closet on your left. Next, we come to the kitchen with your electric oven and range, dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, and plenty of cupboards. Continuing on into the living area, you'll see 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a full-size bed, a desk and desk chair, and a bookcase, as well as your second large closet. This apartment faces west with 2 windows overlooking Cayuga Street. Get lots of afternoon and evening light in this apartment. Every unit is air conditioned and has a heating element. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a vanity and a shower and tub combo. Rent for Commons West Apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 409. Call us today for availability.